4 to 5 years. It's even bigger than the records indicated. Look at this root system. Completely consumed it. Thermal analysis confirms a large python is sleeping beneath the wreckage, documenting its peaceful slumber, rhythmic backdrop to its breathing. All right, slowly down. Keep it coming. Stop right there. Polish complete. It's ready for final inspection. Outstanding work. Take photos. All right, time for the test run. Which rain restore? Take it easy out there. No promises. This beast needs to breathe.
Four to 5 years. It's even bigger than the records indicated.
Look at this root system. Completely consumed it.
Structurally unsound in sectors 3 and 5. Hull breach near the reactor conduit. Acknowledged. Proceed with caution. Condition is critical. Systems breached. Extensive root infiltration. 45 years of growth. We need to stabilize before salvage.
Thermal analysis confirms a large python is sleeping beneath the wreckage, documenting its peaceful slumber. The rain provides a rhythmic backdrop to its breathing. Analyzing thermal output. Confirmed. 4 distinct species. Recording. Avian, rodentia, insect.
Keep it steady. No stress for them. Secure the carrier. Move slowly. Slowly. We've got them. Safe journey.
War-Rig cleared. Restoration can begin. All right, easy on the hydraulics. Just grab the big cluster. Roger, moving claws into position. Careful now. Slow down, don't scratch it. Get the roots. Engaging lift. Structural integrity at 70%.
Copy. Proceed with caution.
We have movement. Confirming Behemoth is stable. Extensive chassis corrosion. Multiple stress fractures visible. Documenting now. Recommend immediate salvage and structural overhaul. Affirmative.
All right, slowly now. Keep it coming. Stop right there. All checks complete. Moving out. Copy that. Follow closely.
Engaging chemical treatment protocol. Confirming coverage. Treatment complete. Begin rinse cycle.
All right, let's see what we've got under all this. Oh. This is worse than I thought.
Deep penetration. Bracket located. Scanning internal structure. Viability confirmed. Documentation complete. Final rinse is complete. Let's inspect the results.
Everything looks pristine, ready for the next phase. Fans are at maximum, steam is rising nicely, still a lot of mud. Prepare for heavy scrubbing. All right, right, slowly. Watch the tension on those chains. Easy, easy does it. Clear of the chassis now. Stop right there. Take a look at that crack. All right, these nuts are really seized. Got it, pulling it back. Wow, look at that damage. All right, let's break this bead.
The torch is ignited. Hear that precise cutting? Now to remove this panel, revealing the damage beneath.
Time for the cab's systematic removal. Careful with that component, it might be salvageable. Noted, Master Restorer. Documenting now.
Extensive structural rust here, spanning the length of this beam. Significant corrosion confirms critical weaknesses we identified.
Let's get this cut. Precise.
All right, let's get these mounts fabricated.
Ready to press.
Perfect. Meets specifications. The axle housing's rebuilt. Time for the stress test. Hydraulic pressure at optimum. Let's see if this holds. Temperature rising fast. Keep monitoring. Thermal signatures are critical. Watch the curve. Initiating cool down. Stand by for stabilization.
Measurement confirmed. Tolerance is within specifications. Component approved.
Precision measurements check out. Hydraulics engaging. Verified. Approved for next phase.
Time for precision boring. Ensuring optimal clearance. Coolant passages need to be spotless. Measuring is critical. Precision torque applied. Connecting rods secure. Now, oil passage test. System holding pressure perfectly.
Time for the final coat? Perfect. Let's get this mounted. Secure. Next. All right, lowering the engine now. Easy. Hold it right there. Just a hair to the left. Perfect. Engage mounts. Keep it steady. Perfect. Alignment's looking good. Let me get a reading. Nice and tight. Done.
The alignment is perfect.
Excellent.
Secure the bolts.
All right, time to test these new relays. Powering up now. Systems online. Looks perfect.
Oil, coolant, and hydraulic levels look correct. Moving to the fuel system.
Pressure reading is stable at 60 psi. Proceed.
Precision installation complete. Excellent upholstery finish. Wiring harness secure. Quality control passed. Polish complete. It's ready for final inspection.
Outstanding work. Take the photos. All right, systems check complete. Oil pressure looks good, fuel pumps primed, ready for startup. All right, systems check, looks good, Sounds good. She's alive. Incredible. All right, let's fire up this beast. Engine running, RPM climbing, systems green. Perfect, pure mechanical resurrection. All right, time for the test run. Looks ready, Restorer. Take it easy out there. No promises. This beast needs to breathe.
Another mechanical legend waits for discovery. The Master Restorer has the coordinates for the Thunder Mammoth Ice Crusher.
Did it!